In this video, we can talk about the gene flow or genetic flow or gene migration or migration of genes. Here you can see the gene flow or genetic flow, the transfer of genes from one population to another by large scale immigration and interbreeding is called gene flow. The transfer of genes from one population to another by large scale immigration and interbreeding is called gene flow. The migration and gene flow links all the genes of the population. The gene flow will bring about the mixing and reshuffling of genes in a gene pool. Here you can see there are two types of population. Population A, this is population B. They go for interbreeding. Due to gene flow, there is a addition or reshuffling, the mixing and reshuffling of genes in population C. Here you can see this is population A and population B. They go for interbreeding. Due to gene flow, there is a mixing and reshuffling of genes in population C. This is called the gene flow. Here you can see there is two types of population. This is one population and this is one population. One of the individual is migrating towards the A population where it can mix with another individual and reproduces, and they go for interbreeding and produces the fertile individuals where there is a chance for the mixing and reshuffling of the genes in a gene pool. This is called gene flow. Gene flow or genetic flow will bring about ample scope for the exchange of genetic material. Generally, the migration or gene flow links all the genes of population. There are two types of gene flow. One is the pre-zygotic gene flow, that means before fertilization or before the zygote formation, what you called as pre-zygotic gene flow. And post-zygotic gene flow means after fertilization or after the zygote formation is called post-zygotic gene flow. There are two types of gene flows. One is the pre-zygotic gene flow and post-zygotic gene flow. The several red foxes move into and mate with the silver fox population. A man with dark skin is migrated to Eastern Europe, where most people have light skin. Their children and grandchildren show the evidence of gene flow when some are born with dark skin. The gene flow can increase the variations within the population by introducing new genes that were produced by mutation in some other population. Gene flow will bring about addition or deletion of genes in gene pool. The genetic load, this is another a small topic. Here you can see the genetic load, the presence of harmful or deleterious genes within the population is called genetic load. The genes for sickle cell anemia is the best example for genetic load. Sickle cell anemia is a hereditary disease found in America and Africa, where you can see the sickle cell anemia is mainly due to the shape of a distorted RBC due to presence of defective gene, that is HBS, the hemoglobin HBS. In homozygous condition, that is HBS and HBS hemoglobin is responsible for the defective gene, that is the that leads to the formation of the sickle cell anemia. The individuals will die. In heterozygous condition, they can survive. That is hemoglobin S and hemoglobin A. There are heterozygous condition. The heterozygous people can survive in malaria-prone areas in Africa where the RBC is disturbed and sickle-shaped. That's why the parasite, the malarial parasite, the plasmodium, cannot survive or feed on the distorted RBC. They can die. That's why the heterozygous condition, the heterozygous people will survive, whereas the homozygous recessive individuals will die because of a couple of genes. But in the case of heterozygous, there is a normal gene as well as the distorted gene also there. That's why they can survive. This is called genetic load. Here you can see this is the thing about this is the gist about the gene flow. The transfer of genes from one population to another by large scale immigration and interbreeding is called gene flow or genetic flow or migration of genes. The migration and gene flow links all the genes of the population. Mixing and reshuffling of gene pools is mainly due to the gene pool. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. We will see in a different